This looks like a simple half-lap joint, but there's a hidden twist most people miss. This is a cross half-lap joint, modified with an angled locking cut. Instead of flat shoulders, the joint uses a triangular angle that forces the pieces to seat themselves as they slide together. That angle increases surface contact and prevents lateral movement, even without screws or fasteners. As the joint closes, the geometry creates internal pressure that locks everything in place. This makes it ideal for frames, stretchers, and furniture that need strength without visible hardware. Good joinery isn't about complexity. It's about understanding how wood wants to move.